Hello guys, it is your girl Jasmine Fox back at it again for another video. Okay, first off, happy new year. Okay, 2020, we are here, y'all. We are here. Thank you, Jesus. It's about to be on and popping for all of us. Okay, I asked you all on my Instagram, what did y'all want to see for the first natural hair video of the year? Y'all said a protective hairstyle. Overwhelmingly, a lot of y'all have been waiting on this. This is one of my most easy, go-to, effortless yet super effective protective hairstyles for natural hair. It keeps your ends locked and tucked away. It's low tension, as y'all know I love, and the hair stays moisturized, which means it's staying healthy and therefore retaining length. Okay, so I hope that you all enjoy this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this look. Okay. Alright guys, so we are first off looking a little bit busted, okay? But that's alright, we're gonna fix that today, alright? So I'm starting off on some clean hair that definitely needs some moisture. So we're first gonna hydrate, and make sure that you are always using warm water to open up your hair cuticles, y'all, so that way y'all can receive optimum levels of moisture, alright? So after that hair is nice and hydrated, I'm just pulling out my homemade moisturizer, which I am just thanking the Lord for, because y'all, my hair loves this stuff, all right? It has been flourishing. So I'm just going to start off by putting that on my edges first, as y'all know that I do, and then just working that throughout the hair. As you can see in the next few clips, I'm going to show y'all me actually separating my hair into 4 sections. I stress this because in order for your hair to be properly moisturized, you must make sure that you are hitting every strand, y'all, okay? This is why a lot of us experience uneven hair growth and random dry spots in our head, all right? So next, I'm just sealing with my extra virgin olive oil, as y'all know that I always do, and I'm just going to repeat this process throughout the rest of my hair. I also want to stress to you all that a protective style can only get you so far. What you really should be focused on is the products that you are using while your hair is in that protective style, y'all. So I always stress to y'all, moisture, 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 okay? So just make sure you have a good moisturizer that you're using that is keeping your hair nourished, hydrated, and therefore retaining length. So at this point, I'm just parting my hair. Make your part as deep as you want to. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I just split my hair down the middle and tied up one section. So next, I'm taking my soft bristle brush, which is looking a little raggedy, and I'm just going to be sleeking down my edges. I'm also applying some more of my moisturizer to them as well to calm down that frizz and to keep that hair conditioned and moisturized. Next, I'm taking my hardboard bristle brush, and I'm just using that to sleek that hair down. And I take a little minute to do that, y'all, because to make this style last, it needs to be set very nice and neat. So next, I'm going to just take a small section from the front of my head and then just French braid that bad boy on down. It's a very simple process. If y'all want a more in-depth routine of actually teaching y'all how to French braid, then y'all just give me a thumbs up and I'll be sure to get on that for you guys. But yeah, as far as everything else, it's pretty self-explanatory. Y'all are just going to see me continuously adding more of my moisturizer as I go down that braid and then sealing in with that extra virgin olive oil, all right? And now we're just going to repeat the process to the other side. I also wanted to mention, y'all, that I have seen your DMs, your emails, your private messages concerning my homemade moisturizer, and I'm letting y'all know it is coming. It is coming. I've been working on making it available for all of you. So just make sure you're subscribed. You tap the bell next to the subscribe button so y'all will be notified when it comes out, okay? So I hear y'all, and it's coming soon, all right? So next, y'all, it is time to lay those edges, and I use my moisturizer to do this as well. I use my moisturizer for everything, okay? And I'm just gonna sleek those puppies down, and in the next clip, I'm gonna show y'all a few ways to wear this hairstyle once it's set. Alright guys, so there's about 2 or 3 ways you can wear this hairstyle once you have your braids in, okay? One, of course, is just the basic French braids, as you can see, laying low, cute, natural. Another one, all you're gonna do is take each braid and you're just gonna simply tie it like a little bun, just like that. The buns would be a little bit more better placed. So this is another one you could do. Have your buns a little bit more closer to your head, but just something simple like that, okay? And then the one that I'm doing for this video is the simple wraparound, which to me is the most protective. So for this, we're just gonna take some bobby pins, okay? And you're just going to pull the hair like a halo braid around your head like so, and then just pin it, okay? So in this next clip, I'm just showing y'all a trick to do. If your hair is too long, you can just take the end of it, as I'm doing here, and just fold it back and pin that bad boy, all right? And once you have done that, this is the final look, okay? So let me know in the comments if y'all have tried it out. It is so effortless and easy, and my go-to protective hairstyle for natural hair. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I love you all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one. God bless.